Man, I don't like my dad so much. He takes me to performs. What should I do just to take the revenge on my dad's laptop? It was company work going on. He is running Windows 10. Wait! I will install the most dangerous virus on my dad's laptop. Let's give that a go. Ha 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 ha! I destroyed my dad's laptop after it's downgraded to Windows 8.1. This is super silly. Very silly. I will leave before dad finds out. No! My downgraded Windows 8 computer. I have to repeat the downgrade if I buy a new computer. How dare you use the world's most dangerous virus? That can lose all of my important company work. That's it. You are heading to the Alphabet Circus to perform right now. Here is Al. Goodbye, loser.
You just downloaded the world's most dangerous virus. You installed the world's most dangerous virus on your dad's downgraded Windows 8.1 computer with important work in it. It's all your fault. Watelford. It's time to go to the Rock and Learn Alphabet to perform.
I am escaping.
How dare you say escape? 2 chances left. If I catch Watelford, he is so going to perform at hardcore mode.
Hurry, 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 hurry up and get out of here right before I get caught by Al.
That's it, Watelford. It's time for the hardcore challenge to perform at the Alphabet Circus, Watelford.
Fine. I will go. I will go to the Rock and Learn Alphabet Circus to perform. Fine.
Later, when Watelford gets to the Alphabet Circus. Alright. On the picture there is the 2023 humans perform. That's it. Perform now or extra 1 million performs.
Perform. Fine.
Great! You are going to be me. You have to perform right now at the Rock and Learn Alphabet Circus.
Okay.
Perform for 99 more times at the Rock and Learn Alphabet Circus after your destroyed dad's downgraded Windows 8.1 OS on your dad's computer.
Okay. I will hardcore perform for 99 more times.
Good. You are going to be me. You have to perform for 99 more times at the Rock and Learn Alphabet Circus. After Watelford performs for 99 more times at the Rock and Learn Alphabet Circus. Great! You performed at the Alphabet Circus. Next. The Lazy Town Mine Song. Here's Stingy. Goodbye! Watelford. Time for the Mine Song to perform for 100 times. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Later. On the freeway.
Hurry, 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 hurry. I got to run all the way to the dealership and steal this Buick Envision just so I will escape from Stingy. I got the keys. I need to roll up the windows. Lock the doors. Lock the doors up. Start the car up. Start the car up. Start the car up. Start the car up. Go 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 go!
Wow! I just never performed before. Welcome to the station in the middle of Idaho. Are you Watelford?
Yes, I am. I'm super safe. From performs. I will never perform ever again.
Yes! That's right. So what are we going to do right now?
We can watch the challenges.
That was a perfect idea. Let's go to the TV room just so we can watch the challenges. We are in the hidden bunker that escaped performs. No perform watches here.
This is awesome. Let's go.
This is the TV room, and we are going to watch the challenges. Wow! This will be awesome.
Alright. Challenge starts now. We did the SpongeBob play video. I have done the challenges.
Yes, it was nice and awesome. I just got rid of the circus ceiling fan and places with a 65 Mink airborne flat white LED large smart ceiling fan.
Wow! That was way better than a circus ceiling fan. I will take a picture and check it out.
This is what is used to be in the TV room. A circus ceiling fan. Troublemakers don't like it at all. This is what the ceiling is put up in the TV room now. It was a 65 Mink airborne flat white LED large smart ceiling fan. It's way better than a circus ceiling fan. Also, it was cool and nice ceiling fan. It was big as well. On to Watelford and Brian's Raichu.
I have the picture of this ceiling fan and put it to my Google Drive. This is very awesome and great. Wow! That was nice. We will play a core meltdown right now. This will be fun.
Sure, go ahead.
Now I will make a core meltdown right now. Ha 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 ha. This is super extremely silly. Very. That was a silly core meltdown.
I know, right? That was a silly core meltdown as well.
Maybe we should explore this Idaho bunker. Let's explore this bunker right now.
That will be awesome. Let's tour right now, Watelford.
Alright. Let's go.
How did you like the hallway?
I will take a picture of the hallway right now. That was a picture of the hallways. Next.
This is the living room.
That living room was awesome. I will take a picture of the living room at the bunker right now. It's the bunker from the Performs Notches. That was a great picture of the living room bunker. Next.
Watelford. How did you like that long kitchen?
It was luxury. I will take a picture. That was a luxury picture of the kitchen. Next.
How is the bedroom?
It was nice. I will take a picture of the bedroom right now. That was a great picture of the bedroom. Next.
How is the bathroom?
It was pretty. I will take a picture of the pretty bathroom right now. That was a great picture of the bathroom. Next. The storage room.
This is the storage room. How do you like the storage room?
Great! I will take a picture of the storage room right now. I love you, Raichu. That was nice. Next.
We should go back to the TV room.
Okay.
How is the tour?
It was beautiful that I cannot escape.
What are you going to do now?
Alright. I will be right back. Here's my stuff. It is pretty rocks, Windows XP computers, ceiling fans, Pokemon plushes, and more to you to keep. Also, it had my 3D printings as well. After I performed, I rented a 2023 Buick Envision to drive to my house and go to the attack and got all of the stuff I needed while somebody is not there. Also, it's all taken in my 2023 Buick Envision and head to this bunker chamber that is hidden in the middle of nowhere in the Rocky Mountains in Idaho. Also, you can hold on to those stuff until I become a good guy someday. Okay.
What? Really? Yeah, that was awesome. I will hold on to it at the storage room. That was great, isn't it?
I know. I gotta go now. I will see you later, Raichu.
Take care. Don't get caught and perform.
Well, there is a chance that I have to perform. I hope we will throw a party with Brian and my other friends too.
Well, I stay here like every second of this chamber just so I will never perform in my life.
Wow! Way to go, Brian's Raichu. You are my best. Bye.
I tricked you with the random logo cars. Well, you have to get inside, and I will call the Enterprise to return this small SUV back to the Enterprise that is towed by the truck. I will take your rental small SUV keys and throw it right at the road. Just go, the guys will return it back to the Enterprise. So, let's go, Watelford. You are in a lot of trouble. Let's go. I will change you. I have changed you. Let's go to the mine song to perform.
Fine. I will go.
Welcome to the Lazy Town Mine Song. You are already changed. You have to perform. Now. Or extend.
Fine. Perform for 100 times.
Great! You are going to be stingy. I will watch and film you. You have to perform now.
Fine.
You have to do it for 99 more times at the Mine Song.
Fine. I will perform for 99 more times. Fine.
Awesome. You are going to be me. After the Watelford performs for 99 more times at the Mine Song. You completed the 100 performs at the Mine Song. Next. The Wubbulous World of Dr. Seuss. Here's Cat in the Hat. Goodbye! Watelford. Time for the Wubbulous World of Dr. Seuss.
Fine. I will go.
When they get to the Wubbulous World of Dr. Seuss. Watelford. Welcome to the Wubbulous World of Dr. Seuss. You have to get changed right now.
No, I want Colorado.
I have changed you into the Cat in the Hat outfit, because we just changed right here. You just got to perform. Right now. 2 chances left.
Perform. Fine, I will perform.
Great! You are going to be me. I will watch you. Watelford. You need to perform for 99 more times at the Wubbulous World of Dr. Seuss.
Okay. I will perform for 99 more times at the Wubbulous World of Dr. Seuss.
Alright. Perform for 99 more times at the Wubbulous World of Dr. Seuss. After Watelford performs for 99 more times. Great job. You have performed for 100 times. It's the TV room time for Watelford to pink-fueled Wiggles. Let's go, Watelford. With the Maori outfit on.
Okay. Fine. I have the Maori uniform on.
Alright. Let's go. When Watelford gets to the TV room. Alright. The TV room. Oh, I have to use the bathroom. You stay here and don't move.
Wait! I will escape right now. Surprise! Bounds perform. Captions magic buttons. Let's go, Watelford. Okay. Fine. I will go.
Later. When they get to the Captions magic buttons.
Alright, this is Captions magic buttons, and you are Maori, and we have to perform for about 100 times at this 2001 Captions magic buttons, and we will look at Paplio at the camera, and let's perform right now in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We will have to perform for 99 more times. We'll start right now. Fine.
After Watelford performs for 99 more times at the Captions magic buttons.
We see what's going to happen if you pet the first Paplio. Escape. I am escaping right now. I am escaping from Captions magic buttons. I will go to Colorado right now. This will be the best time in my life. I am stealing this new 2023 Wagoneer. I have to drive off and escape to Colorado right now. Yes! I'm in Colorado. I'm in Trinidad, Colorado. I will take a picture of the Trinidad, Colorado right now. That was a great picture of the Trinidad, Colorado. Next. I will do the challenges right now. That was. How dare you escape the Caption's magic buttons? That's it. Hardcore mode with the Wiggles Cowboys. I am calling the Jeep dealership to return the Wagoner that you stole back to the dealership with repairs. That's it. Time for Wiggles Cowboys right now. After we perform for 100 times at Wiggles Cowboys, you will be in the TV room for real this time. Not the Wubbulous world of Dr. Seuss for the TV room. It will be the Wiggles Cowboys for the TV room. Just so let's go, Watelford. You are in a lot of trouble. So let's go. Oh, no. Fine. I'm caught. Arrgh. How dare you say, ugh, that's it. You have 3 seconds to take off. Alright, it's just me and you at Wiggles Cowboys, and we are the Cowboys, and we have to see Poplio for 100 times while we are performing at the Wiggles Cowboys, and you will be Maori as a cowboy, I will be as a cowboy. Let's perform in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have to perform for 99 more times at the Wiggles Cowboys. Fine. I will perform for 99 more times at the Wiggles Cowboys. After the Watelford performs for 99 more times, we did the 100 performs at the Wiggles Cowboys. Next. TV room at hardcore mode. Fine. While staring at Poplio. Okay. When they get to the TV room, I decided to turn you into a Poplio just so you can stare at your girlfriend Poplio just to be forced to watch the Wiggles. Okay. Yes! I am a Poplio. It's good to see Poplio. Sadly, it will require to watch the Wiggles. I have to do it. Gosh. Just focus on just the girl Poplio. Well, when the Wiggles come up, I have to stare at the girl Poplio while I was forced to watch the Wiggles. Greg got the tricks. Well, here it comes on now. No. No. This is the worst day ever.